In this practice, is it possible to attach two copper wire with radius of 1 mm by magnetic forces acting on both wires? So I'd like to draw the figures at first. The length of the wires, we consider the unit length. Then radius of wire is r, both has a r. Then area is expressed pi r squared. Then if the two current in the wires has the same directions, this is same directions of I, then attractive force is acting between the two wires. So this wire has attractive forces from the upper wires. Is a F. So F is attractive force due to the magnetic force. It's expressed mu sub 0 I squares over 2 pi. And the distance between the center of the wire is 2r, because this is 2r. This is attractive forces acting between the two wires. And also the gravitational force is acting on these wires because of the gravitational force. So gravitational force, you can calculate. The mass of this force is a rho, is a density, times the volume. So you have to multiply it. Pi r squared. The unit length is 1. Times gravitational accelerations. This is a gravitational force. Then the conditions for the two wires attached together by the magnetic force is F is larger than the F sub z, gravitational force. Then two wires are attached. So you can substitute this F and F sub g is here. Then you can find the conditions for the I squares have to be larger than the 4 pi squares over mu sub 0 rho z r cube. For the r, you can substitute 1 millimeters. And the rho is the density of copper. It's about 9 gram per cubic centimeter. This is the density, material density of copper. Then G is 9.8 meter per square second. Then if you substitute these numbers, I have to be larger than 52 amperes. If the current is larger than the 52 amperes, then wire should be attached together. But wire with a 1 millimeter radius is able to carry the maximum current is 20 amperes. So this is larger than the 20 amperes. This is the maximum current a wire with a 1 millimeter radius is able to carry. So from this fact, it is almost impossible to attach two wires with magnetic force. Okay, this is the answer to this question.